Hi, are you an existing business owner or planning to start? Your online business name, how important to you? Is your online name as easy to remember or brandable? Choosing a unique name is an excellent way to shift everyone's attention to your brand. Moreover, the domain name is your brand name on the internet, and the domain name introduces your business in front of online users. Your company name plays a monumental role in a brand's growth and perception, meaning it can ultimately make or break a company. Entire relationships are dictated by first impressions, so making a powerful impact immediately is a necessary key to branding success. The first thing a customer interacts with is a name, so it has to convey the right message. It has to wow the audience. A great name has the power to build a long-lasting relationship between any company and its customers. Check out our listed domain names at www.onlineestablishment.com to find a cool and catchy domain name for your online brand.